Now we will learn how to maintain inventory accounts by using different concepts. First one is creating and managing stock groups, and how to create stock groups, and under it how we have to take stock categories. Like this, how we have to maintain stock items under stock categories, and how to maintain stock items in godowns, and how to measure the stock items in numbers or kgs. Practically, we will see all these concepts. First, we have to go features, inventory features. Here we have to choose yes for the option maintain multiple godowns and maintain stock categories. And finally press enter key and Y key and come back to the gateway of Tally. Now select configuration, accounts or inventory information. Choose yes for the option allow advanced entries in masters and allow standard rates for stock items. If we want to select extra options like use addresses for godowns also, but now I'm not selecting it. Here I'm selecting inventory information. First we have to create units of measure before entering the stock items. So that select create. Here we have two types. I am selecting simple. Symbol is NOS. Formal name is numbers. And finally give accept. Next I am giving symbol as DOZ and formal name is dozen. If we select compound type, it will be like this. Here I am selecting dozen, 12 numbers. It means 12 numbers equal to dozen. Like this we can create compound types also. Like this we have to create units of measures. Next we have to create some of the godowns. Select godown, create. Here I am giving name Beach Street, and here we have to select either primary or main location. I am selecting primary and give S for allow storage of materials. Next I am giving Park Street. Like this I am created two godowns. Now I am selecting stock groups before creating the stock items, because if we have large number of items, then it is better to maintain stock groups as a superior. So I am selecting create. Here I am giving name hardware and I am giving no for the option can quantities of items be added. Second one is software. Next one is stock categories. We can create it either in single or multiple. Now I am selecting multiple stock category creation. Here I am selecting all items. In name of the category, first one is HCL, second one is HP. Finally, we created two categories in hardware. In same way, in software, here I am creating categories under single creation. For example, first one is operating systems, second one is databases, and third one is application software. Like this we created three categories. We can also create companies like Microsoft. Next one is Sun Microsystems. Once all stock categories are created, then we have to create stock items. Now I will show how to create single stock item. Here we have to give item name monitor. Next one is under. Here we have to select group, that is hardware. Here we have to select category HCL. Next one is units. Here I am selecting numbers. If we want to set standard rates, then we have to give yes, otherwise give no. Here we have to give rate of duty. Here I am giving 2, and we can also give tariff classification. Next one is behavior. Under it, first one is costing method is based on average cost. It means total sales divided by total amount. In same way, market valuation method is also based on average price because it may be sold at high or low rate. And here we have different types of methods also. Ignore difference due to physical counting. I am giving no. If you want to ignore negative balances, then we have to give yes, otherwise give no. Next one is treat all sales as new manufacture. I am giving no. Treat all purchases as consumed. I am giving no. And last one is treat all rejections inward as scrap. I am giving no. And here we have to give opening balance. Suppose quantity is 10 and press enter key. Here we have to select godown name. I am selecting Beach Street, and we have to give rate for each monitor 5000 rupees. So totally we have 5000 into 10, 50,000 rupees. And finally select accept. Like this we can create single stock items. By selecting multi-stock items, we can create large stock items at the same time. Under group, I am selecting software. Name of the item is MS Office. Under software, category is Microsoft. Units, I am selecting numbers. Opening quantity, I am giving 20. Here I am giving Park Street. Rate 2000 rupees. Second one is Windows XP. Software, Microsoft. Numbers. Opening quantity is 10. Here I am giving main location and rate is 6000 rupees. Like this we can create multi-stock items. We have other options like display, alter, that we already learned about it. And we can also prepare reports for these stocks. We can see some other reports also through display option.